why don't you show me Zhuhai? Zhuhai, oh, I want to see Zhuhai. Please, why don't you show me Zhuhai? Zhuhai, oh, I want to see Zhuhai. Please, why don't you show me Zhuhai? Zhuhai, oh, I want to see Zhuhai. Please, why don't you show me Zhuhai?
Okay, this video we're in Doumen, like downtown Doumen. This is part of Zhuhai, but Doumen is like a separate area. Well, it's still Zhuhai, but it's like a separate district. Got a lot of apartments right here. We're gonna kind of stroll around. There's like a overground that goes over the thing, and we got a mall here with Uniqlo and some other stuff. Starbucks. Typical. Okay, let's go check it out. Zhuhai. This is called the Doumen. If you up on the map, you can see that Zhuhai kind of spreads out. It's actually very spread out, and then Doumen area is this other side that's actually quite far away from the other parts of Zhuhai. Anyways, I filmed a couple videos. You'll see those at the back, at the very end in the thumbnails, where I did the old town. This one is the new town. So I'm going to start out at a mall, go through a park, go over a bridge, and just kind of keep on walking and just kind of trying to get a feel for what's around here. So you're going to feel as if you're there yourself as well. And you can see it on the map already. So let's go check it out. Come and join me. Doumen. Cafe de Corral, that's all the way in Macau. There's an academy, art academy. So we're gonna stroll in. It's got Uniqlo when you first come in. And I'm just gonna briefly walk into the mall real quick. And then we're gonna walk into the city itself. Okay. This is the mall. Beautiful ceiling, wow. It's really, it brings in a lot of lighting. Uniqlo. So it looks like this is like a city block mall. We're gonna go back outside, but just kind of, I think we're in the heart of Doumen. Okay, so we're outside the mall now. Again, it's even Domino's Pizza in there, huh? KTV stuff. And this seems to be kind of the main downtown. So this stretch right here goes through the downtown Doumen bus terminal. Gives you some reference. And I think this is kind of the main center of the Doumen downtown. And then there's a little walkway that people can walk around and cross this big main street. So that is called Metro Mall in Doumen. So, yep. And we just came up here so that you can see this kind of centerpiece. That kind of gives us an idea of what it looks like around here. Kind of elevated a little bit. And you see the mountains in the background. So there's a Doumen Old City, which is like that around the mountain. It's about like 12, 15 kilometers, something like that. Yeah, it looks pretty cool. Let's kind of go through here. And then this is kind of narrow in here. Let me just see what I can capture. So this street will go, and the mountain is kind of in the distance, so it's not too far away really. But then the length of it seems to be
And over there is the river. So there's a big river right there, and then there's a bunch of stuff on the other side. And then what we're going to be looking down in a second is kind of where the length of this Doumen downtown is. So it stretches out. I mean, Doumen has like lots of little areas, so I think that's a whole other area over there on the other side of the river. That was one way over there in the Old Town area, which is where kind of a European district is at. That'll be linked at the end of this video, so you can view that if you want to see what that looks like in Doumen. But that was in videos. This is my third Doumen video, which is a part of Zhuhai, as you probably saw the map. And then this kind of spreads out, so that probably goes like a kilometer this way. Then it also goes about a kilometer this way down that main road, down this one towards the mountains. And then that goes around like that. And then there's a whole other world over there, which I'm so curious about. Anyways, Doumen. That's the bridge that I was hoping I could walk on, but it looks like I don't think I can. More just kind of typical. So I guess what I'll do is I'll just walk under the bridge and kind of see what we can see around here. It's kind of cool. At the park, there's a bunch of chairs over there too, and tables. And I don't think there's any way to get up there and walk, I don't think. But I'm just gonna walk around and check out the park. Oh, this has all ping pong tables. That's so cool. Then we got ping pong paddles. I like how they respect enough to keep those there. Or is that a fan? It might be a fan. Oh, I think it's somebody's fan. So they must bring their own paddles. Still though, kind of cool. Yeah, just kind of exploring Doumen. There's interesting stuff, right? Nice park. Smells great in here. All those, trees and oxygen and such. Oh, there's somebody walking right there. So it looks like we can walk across. But do I want to? Or is it even legal? Sometimes they walk illegally here, so. You got a park, you can exercise, but I'm kind of mesmerized by this. Oh, so beautiful. Wow, amazing. So photogenic. And there's more over there too. It's so cool. Beautiful trees here. Then you can go across into the park. Got a pretty big park. There's more stuff for kids and for adults to exercise and kids to exercise. And some beautiful places to hang out. Okay. And you got some more beautiful trees in it's a lot part of Zhuhai as well, so you just got beautiful foliage in general in this part of South China. And now we're coming up to that bridge, so if I want to take that bridge, I think I can take it. Yeah, it looks like there's a path all the way across. The mall was over there. And this park is over here. Yeah, I think I'm gonna try to see what's on the other side. Why not, eh? So we're gonna be walking over on that side. Right now we're over on this side. Got up on top of that bridge. There's a Ferris wheel. We started out. And yeah, we're gonna be walking down here. Get to the other side and show you what it looks like. Probably show you something along the way too. Yep. About halfway through. Nice skyline, nice horizon. Yeah, pretty nice view from up here. am kind of curious about all those apartments up there that overlook. They're kind of up on the hill. Looks like you kind of have some park right here, lots of trees, and then you got a ton of them up there. I don't know if I can walk up there, if I will or not, but it's interesting. Okay, on the other side we have another park. Some beautiful trees. Love the trees in South China. Beautiful banyan trees like this, amazing. So yeah, anyways, we're gonna try to get into all the buildings over there and kind of see what's that part is. So add a little bit more to this. To Doumen, I guess we'll call it downtown Doumen. It's like a part of Zhuhai city. The city is really spread out, so it's like could be a whole other city over here, really. This is Doumen right there. Okay, this one we got 8 seconds to run across, so let's get across quick. But yeah, that was the bridge. Then we're gonna try to go into that and then into those. See if we can. I don't know how far I'll go, but keep you in tune, keep you in the loop. Yeah, so there's Doumen right there. So you got Doumen everywhere, but it's still part of Zhuhai. So you also have Zhuhai. So Zhuhai is the. So we're still part of the city. But yeah, you got Doumen. I don't know how to pronounce that exactly. Doumen. And then we're just kind of walking. There's basically a lot of like mechanics, car oriented things. And then I was gonna try to go down one of these streets. There's a sign for Zhongshan, and it looks like I could just explore up into here, which I might do. So I think this just kind of has that same feeling. And then this one looks like we get more into like leafy trees and maybe a little bit more residential. There's some restaurants as well. So I think I'm gonna go up there to the top of this hill and just see what's in here. So as we get in here, those are some of those big residential apartments. Nice balconies. Looks kind of cool. You got nice shade. And then it looks like what I could see from the distance was a lot of these residential ones like these. But they still have all these businesses underneath, so I think I saw those from up there too, up on the hill. Yeah, looks like this in here. It's kind of cool. It's very functional. It looks like it kind of keeps on going down that way too. But I'm going to keep on going up the hill and seeing what else we can see from that vantage point. Kind of beautiful, these trees. Big massive trees, give you all the shade. If these weren't here, then it'd be quite a different feel. So yeah, I guess from the distance I was seeing a lot of these apartments. And we'll just kind of get up to the top. See if we can get a feel for this overall neighborhood. But yeah, this is all part of Doumen as well, so pretty close to the riverfront from up here. And going uphill a little bit, so we can hopefully see that vantage point from, as we can see from the bridge. Pretty cool. So we came up to the top, and I think we're going to see a lot of stuff like this. Some beautiful flowers as well. And I think I'll probably just end it for Doumen. So this kind of gives you an idea. I just wanted to see what's across on the other side. Looks like we have lots of different kinds of apartments and like kind of like field kind of stuff. And we got lots of different apartments too. So so I guess we kind of get an idea of Doumen in general. It's part of Zhuhai. And then I guess what we're gonna do is just kind of look down in here because I can see all these apartments in a big parking lot. Kind of cool though. Okay, so let's end it there for Doumen. Maybe this will be the last one. I just want to take you back to the main road, and you can see lots of businesses. There's Goodly Art School, we have some bakeries, some places to get probably fruit juice or fruits and vegetables. And now we're kind of at this main street, so let's just kind of take a look down it. Lots of random things everywhere. Goodly Art School. And then this is kind of the main street that we were on. So the bridge is right over there, so you could walk the bridge and go all the way to that mall. And I guess we're gonna end it right here. Doumen.